Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Nicole and today I'm going to be sharing with you all how you can teach English online, making anywhere between $14 and $40 an hour. All you need to know are the requirements and the different types of jobs that are out there and the best organizations for you. So to give you guys an example, my personal experience with this is that I just recently graduated from the university. I got a degree in Spanish, which has nothing to do with teaching English. But I just simply went online and registered for an ESL certification class, so that's English as a second language, and I registered through mytefl.com. It is a 120-hour ESL course that I completed in 2 weeks. This was a relatively short amount of time to get your ESL certification. This program was my favorite just because it only cost me $100 to complete, and I did it in such a short amount of time. And then after I got that done, the organization helped me to job search and apply for different ESL jobs. So the requirements that most organizations look for in teachers is that they are native speakers of English. This means that they have to be from either Canada, the United States, England, or Australia. They also require most teachers to hold a bachelor's degree. Some organizations are a little more lenient and they will accept people with associate's degrees, or those of you who are currently taking classes to work towards your BA. And lastly, a lot of them prefer and or require them to have an ESL certification. Most of them require them to have 120 hours worth of credits. So depending on the job that you want and how much you'd like to be paid, you might want to look into taking this course. Like I said, for me it only took 2 weeks to complete. It cost me $100, but in the grand scheme of things, I could be making $40 versus $12 an hour teaching English just by getting certified in this course. And it only really took me 10 hours to complete. I know it sounds weird because it's a 120-hour course and it only took me 10 hours. But the curriculum's really easy to go through, and then you just have these like chapter quizzes. And then after that, they send you the degree in the mail and then help you apply for your jobs, and they also send you a letter of recommendation. So that was really great. Next, I am going to talk about the different jobs and organizations that are out there and how much they pay. The first one that I wanted to share with you all is called QKids. So this is the one that I'm actually currently in the application process for. It pays anywhere between $14 and $22 an hour, depending if you hit your bonus goals. So this is a Chinese company. You teach between 1 and 4 students each class. Everything is online. The curriculum is done for you, so all you have to do is log in and then kind of guide them through the lesson. You don't have to create any of the material. It is amazing. The payments are monthly and they are wired through PayPal or your bank account. And the Chinese government is recently changing requirements for ESL teachers. So anything that is based out of China, you will need the 120-hour course of teaching English as a foreign language, or you will need your teaching certification to teach on these Chinese websites. But there are other countries that do not require this. The next company that I like to recommend is called VipKid. So VipKid was actually rated like number 1 or 2 best online jobs from Forbes. So this is similar, except it is a one-on-one teaching experience. This platform is also all done for you. It has the curriculum guided out. All you have to do is be with the student and talk about the material that's in front of you. This position pays between I believe $18 and $22 an hour. They're very lenient with your hours. You can commit to as little or as much to as you want per week. It is also paid monthly and wired through PayPal or your bank account. Lastly, the one that you guys probably have all been waiting for, it is called ClassTalk. ClassTalk is also a Chinese company where you teach to an entire class, but it pays up to $48 an hour depending on your bonus points. So there's your normal base pay plus bonus and commission based on how well you do. The good thing about this is that the hours are a little more normal than QKid and VipKid because it is in the evenings. So this is Chinese school hours. So you would teach American evening hours. So for example, if they have class between 7 a.m. and 2 p.m., you would teach here maybe from 7 p.m. to 12 a.m. or something like that. So with QKid and VipKid, it's kind of switched. So that's more of like a tutoring thing where the kids go home after school and they want tutored. And so that is our morning time. So I would have to wake up at 5 a.m. and then teach until 9 a.m. So that one's a lot more weird, not my favorite. But, so I hope that this helped you guys get a good idea of how to start your ESL journey. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. And thank you so much for watching.